outcome of the education is important. When we are teaching the students at whatever level, whether it is school level, 12th standard, or maybe at the university level, so what we have taught them, what they have learnt, their learning is more important than our teaching. They are going to face the world and hope it will not be a VUCA world for them. So, for facing the challenges of the 21st century, I think that we should change our teaching, learning, as well as the assessment system. Because the universities abroad, they ask for a result in which they are asking what the student he has learnt or he has done, what is his experience, how many events he has handled, and what is his communication skills and all that. And now, before discussing more in this, I am going to mention that all the teachers, while assessing the students and while teaching the students, we should follow the Bloom's taxonomy. Because in the Bloom's taxonomy, it is the correct method which should be followed, not only for teaching them, but also for their learning outcomes and for the assessment. As we know, the lower order skills are like remembering and maybe understanding and maybe just drawing a diagram or labeling it. But what is more important, that how much we are bringing it to the that how what the student can do, that is important. Analysis, if he can analyze the things, if he can take the decision. The evaluation is very important. Like we have got two roads and we have to decide that which road we should take. We should not go on the wrong road. So that way the students, they should have an ability. We should teach them in such a way that they should be able to take the correct decision. So evaluation is more important than memorizing certain things, which we were doing in the past. We were memorizing and we were giving them marks on that only. And then analysis is important. And at the top of the Bloom's taxonomy, we have got creativity. And creativity is going to capture the market in future, and it has already captured. So those students will be successful in life and in their professional lives who can create something new. So we have to teach the students in such a way. We have to give them the projects, the assignments, and all these questions in the exams where their ability of creativity, what new you can do, that is important, because other things are already there. So Bloom's taxonomy is very important. All the teachers, they should be trained, and accordingly they should change their method of teaching and also the assessment. Now coming back to the outcome based education. So all over the world, even the Washington Accord with the National Board of Accreditation is this, that there should be all these things which the industry is expecting from the students who are going out for the profession to different countries. And then according to literature made, there are three broad types of outcome based education. Traditional outcome based education, which measures the learning outcomes in terms of students' knowledge of the established curriculum. We have got a curriculum, and based on that there should be some knowledge gained by the student after the course is over. The second is transitional OBE, and which measures the learning outcomes of students in terms of generic or higher order competencies such as critical thinking, problem solving, communication skills. So that is the transitional. And then finally it is transformational OBE, which measures the learning outcomes of students in terms of broad category, interdisciplinary knowledge and skills, generic competencies, attitudes, and values required by the society and the industry. So we have to teach the students the interdisciplinary knowledge. If he can solve the problem in one discipline, then he should be able to solve these problems or analyze things or evaluate things in such things.